This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by entering the Obby and confirming voice control is active. This is essential because commands won't register otherwise. Once done, walk your avatar to the marked jump starting tile so you have a consistent reference point. Make sure your mic input sits around 50 to 70% and noise cancellation is enabled. Background sounds will trigger false inputs. Practice a single short command like jump to confirm audio latency, and that the game recognizes your voice before moving to the next step. You're now ready to perform the controlled jump. Speak a short, firm command such as jump or hop. Clarity matters, so don't add extra words. Time the command about 0.2 to 0.5 seconds before you reach the jump edge to compensate for audio latency. This timing lets the engine translate voice into action at the right moment. Also, gently push forward on movement keys or stick while commanding. Combining voice with slight forward momentum increases jump distance and consistency. You finish by stabilizing the landing. Hold your position briefly after touchdown to prevent sliding off narrow platforms. Practice in small sets of 5 jumps, adjusting timing slightly each set until your success rate improves. Repetition builds the rhythm your voice and movement need. If jumps still fail, troubleshoot. Lower microphone sensitivity, enable push-to-talk, or recalibrate the audio threshold in settings so soft sounds don't trigger. If needed, reposition to a quieter environment and retry the same timing pattern.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.